All right, what we have here today is the Exiss Mini Combo Exhibitor trailer. This is the 615A model, so it means it's gonna have air slats on both the head and butt side. This is in their Brandywine front color. Check out the tack room. Nice size front tack. It's gonna have an escape door on it. This is the 6-pin system. Two roof vents up front, as well as two in the back. These pen systems are actually fully removable. This one does have the plexiglass inserts option, as well as aluminum wheels. Torsion axles. This is a fully aluminum frame structure, aluminum skin, aluminum floor. Has a rear ramp on it. Double rear doors. LED lights inside, as well as all the outside lights are LED for the running lights. Only 6 foot wide, very easy to haul, incredibly light. We also have it in white, metallic black, a really cool blue. So check out the other colors as well.